Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to manage your digital news subscription for the New York Times. So managing a New York Times digital subscription requires identifying if billing is direct or through a third party. Now, if it is direct, that means through a website or an official New York Times website. You just want to open your browser, type in the New York Times, and you want to log into your account. Tap the profile initials at the very top right, and this is where you could go ahead and log into your account and go to membership and plan from the settings. Now, if you cannot find that option, then you might have to contact the New York Times help support, and that way as well, you will be able to cancel your digital subscription as well. Next, if you've done or if you've used a third-party app, now for iOS device, you have to go to your settings, and once you go to the settings, you just want to make sure to open your profile or the name. You will be able to see your iCloud ID at the very top. You just want to tap open that up, and there you could find subscription. You just want to go ahead and cancel it. That is how you could do it for iOS device. And as for the Android device, you just want to exit out, go to your Play Store, and tap onto the U from the bottom right, and there you have to go to the profile once again and go to payment and subscription, and there you will be able to find your subscription. Select that out, and from here you can go ahead and cancel it. This is how you're supposed to manage your digital news subscription. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.